Science World is a non-profit organization located in Vancouver, British Columbia. It's a fun, educational, and interactive environment that celebrates science and technology. So, in the spirit of Science World, we created a fact-based campaign including this interactive sneezing transit shelter ad. Pressing a button activated a harmless spritz of water and one of several possible voiceovers.
Achoo! Did you know that a sneeze could travel 12 feet and hover for 3 hours? It's true. And gross. But hey, you've learned something. Science World, we can explain. Achoo! 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 Did you know that a sneeze could travel 12 feet and hover for 3 hours? I bet you're fascinated as you wipe my snot off your face. Science World, we can explain.